Discovering the wonders of California State. Welcome to California, a land of boundless wonders, where dreams come alive and nature's beauty thunders. From sprawling cities to picturesque landscapes, California's charm leaves visitors in awe and agape. Geographic location. Situated on the western coast of the United States, California's location effortlessly captivates. Bordered by Oregon, Nevada, and Arizona's lands, its diverse geography is a sight to withstand. Capital and population. Sacramento, the capital, stands with pride. A city where history and progress coincide. And with over 39 million residents to boast, California's populous diversity shines the most. History and politics. California's history is a tapestry of stories, from Native American tribes to Spanish glories. The gold rush of 1849 sparked a migration wave, shaping the state's identity, bold and brave. Progressive politics find a stronghold in this state. Environmental policies and diverse voices resonate. California leads in innovation and technology, a beacon of progress, setting a global trajectory. Economy. California's economy is a powerhouse of might, driving industries that reach incredible heights. From Silicon Valley's tech innovations and wealth, to Hollywood's entertainment industry, a treasure trove of stealth. Education and culture. California's education system stands tall and strong. From world-class universities to opportunities that throng. A cultural melting pot, diversity thrives, celebrating art, music, and culinary delights. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The California Gold Rush. In 1849, the discovery of gold sparked a feverish quest. Thousands rushed to California, seeking fortune's crest. A tale of adventurers, dreamers, and gritty determination. The gold rush left a lasting mark on the state's foundation. 2. Hollywood, the entertainment capital. With its glamorous allure and star-studded fame, Hollywood became synonymous with the entertainment game. From silent movies to blockbuster hits on the big screen, California's film industry continues to reign supreme. 3. The Golden Gate Bridge. An engineering marvel, majestic and grand. The Golden Gate Bridge stands as a symbol of the land, connecting San Francisco's bustling streets with grace. Its iconic orange hues leave a lasting embrace. 4. Wine Country Delights. Napa Valley and Sonoma County's fertile plains produce world-renowned wines that fill our veins. Vineyards and wineries offer tastings divine. Amidst picturesque landscapes, it's a true wine lover's shrine. 5. Yosemite National Park. A natural wonderland, majestic and sublime. Yosemite's landscapes leave us awestruck, every time. From towering granite cliffs to cascading waterfalls, nature's masterpiece beckons adventurers to heed its calls. 6. Silicon Valley's technological marvels. In the heart of California, innovation takes flight. Silicon Valley's tech prowess shines so bright. Home to global giants and startups that soar, it continues to shape the world like never before. 7. Hearst Castle's opulent majesty. Perched atop the hill, overlooking the Pacific blue, Hearst Castle stands as a testament to a bygone milieu. A palace of opulence, grandeur, and refined taste. Its lavish halls and sprawling grounds are a sight to embrace. 8. Exploring Death Valley's mysteries. In the scorching depths of the desert's domain, Death Valley's allure weaves a captivating chain. Endless salt flats and mesmerizing sand dunes. An otherworldly landscape where solitude croons. 9. The magic of Disneyland. A land of enchantment, joy, and fantasy. Disneyland in California is pure ecstasy. With its iconic characters and whimsical rides, childhood dreams come alive as imagination collides. 10. Santa Monica Pier's coastal delights. With a Ferris wheel spinning and vibrant lights aglow, Santa Monica Pier casts a vibrant, colorful show. Stroll along the beach, savoring the ocean breeze. A lively atmosphere that will put your mind at ease. 11. San Diego Zoo's wildlife wonder. A menagerie of creatures from far and near, San Diego Zoo brings wildlife oh so near. From playful pandas to majestic lions at rest, It's a sanctuary where nature's marvels are blessed. 12. Redwood National and State Parks. Amidst ancient giants, humbling and tall, Redwood National and State Parks enthrall. Walk among the towering redwoods so grand, a serene escape in nature's wonderland. Summarization. California, a land of diverse landscapes and dreams. From the towering mountains to sun-kissed streams, its rich history, progressive politics, and cultural pride create an experience that words can't fully describe. From the Golden Gate Bridge to Hollywood's glitz, Yosemite's majesty and Death Valley's fiery blitz, California's top attractions offer an array of unforgettable experiences, come what may. Poem, California's Splendor. California, land of dreams and golden shores, where nature's beauty and culture forever soars. From the capital city to the stunning coastline, a tapestry of wonders, oh so divine. The gold rush beckoned adventurers near and far, seeking fortunes and dreams beneath a star. Hollywood's lights, where dreams take flight, stories immortalized in celluloid's delight. The Golden Gate Bridge, a magnificent sight, a symbol of connection, spanning day and night. Yosemite's grandeur, nature's majestic embrace, a landscape of awe and eternal grace. Silicon Valley, where innovation sparks technological wonders, leaving their marks. From vineyards lush to the wine country's delight, a toast to California's flavors so bright. Disneyland's magic, for young and old. Santa Monica's pier, a joy to behold. San Diego Zoo, where wildlife finds solace. And Redwood's giants, where peace finds its place. California, a symphony of cultures profound, a melting pot of voices, unique sounds. In this land of dreams, where visions ignite, California's splendor shines ever so bright. Song, California Dreamin'. Verse 1. In the land of California, dreams come alive, where the sun-kissed shores forever thrive. From Sacramento's streets to Hollywood's fame, California's charm sets hearts aflame. Chorus. California dreamin', skies so blue, a world of wonders, waiting for you. From mountains tall to ocean's embrace, California's beauty, a timeless grace. Verse 2. Golden Gate Bridge, a symbol of might. Yosemite's beauty, a breathtaking sight. Silicon Valley's innovations bloom and grow. In California's heart, imaginations flow. Chorus. California dreamin', skies so blue, a world of wonders, waiting for you. From mountains tall to ocean's embrace, California's beauty, a timeless grace. Bridge. Through vineyards and deserts, we'll roam, discovering California, our hearts at home. From Disneyland's magic to San Diego's zoo, in California's embrace, dreams come true. Chorus. California dreamin', skies so blue, a world of wonders, waiting for you. From mountains tall to ocean's embrace, California's beauty, a timeless grace. Outro. In California's splendor, memories will be made, a journey of a lifetime, a serenade. So pack your bags and come along to the Golden State, where dreams belong. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.